Dave, here's Simcoe. They got the mini bike races. They're lined up. It's crazy here at Simcoe, folks. They're getting the burnout pit ready. We're going to be doing some filming of that. We got a couple of white shirts lined up. White shirts. That driver of that mini bike, he's not a young man. These guys are fast. That seemed like it was geared really high. Bentley's speed shop. What would be really cool is if they had bicycle races out here, like on the same track with bicycles. Blowing in the wind. There's a girl in the blue. She's not wearing eye protection. There you go. She lost. one was you?
Mine was at the far side.
Oh, okay. That other one was fast at the end there. You can see really come on.
He raced at Torquefish last year.
Okay.
And he won the races.
Oh, cool. All right.
Oh, there we go.
It'll be on there. Not right away, but eventually. Thank you guys. I'm just a spectator. I'm 66. I kind of do it for a hobby. Most people watch it on Facebook.
Yeah.
And then YouTube and TikTok. I got more viewers on Facebook because it's a local thing. There's the guys in white again. That's a fast bike. He's got the speed shop. That's Bentley. I did an interview on him last year. This looks like a brand new one. Is that one of those Coleman's?
Yeah.
I see they started selling those.
Die no matter what.
Thank you. It says a Harley on the side, but it's not actually a Harley. That's fast, folks. It's going to be one of the competitors. Uh-oh. There's a small girl in the back. She's a 50-pounder. I don't know how old she is, but she's young. That guy had a pretty fast mini bike. He won. That's so much torque it pulled him sideways. He's still going. I think this is a girl with those red streamers on there. Against a guy with long hair. It's a battle of long hair. He's fast. He's fast, folks. Alright, this guy here, 13, he looks like an older guy. Look at him. He's got gray mustache like me. Oh, the little person won. All right, we got this girl back. That's fast. But I think the guy might have won. There's a guy with the gray mustache like me. They have a contest here today, folks, where they have these ladies dress up like the old times. What's interesting is That one guy, he actually used his feet to help him get going. I just thought that was pretty smart. Yeah. It says beans on his helmet. There's that Harley one. This is a fast wind bike. Somebody take that engine, tear it down. Until you lose. It's a brave girl down there with that bale of hay in front of her. Okay. You see, we only have 2 left out of this run. There's that Harley one. Like I said, that engine. Got that one set up nice. So we got these 2 left here. These are some of the fast ones, folks. I think there's 4 left. There's the big Harley Davidson. It says on the tank. Does that guy look like he's from the Diesel Brothers over there with the hat on? Very close, folks. He's got wheelie bar on the back. That girl down there is pretty brave, huh? Standing in front of that girl. Somebody wiped out or something. It's like, you kind of got to probably be a little dumb too to do that. Brave and dumb. All right. We got the big boys here.